Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is WINA SETIAWATY. Here I will explain from a scientific paper a segment entitled Utilization of the Use of Information Technology During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Introduction. At the end of 2019, the World Health Organization announced that it had found a virus that caused death, or commonly referred to as COVID-19, as a pandemic. The development of technology in this modern era is very rapid. Nowadays, technology has provided many benefits in progress in various aspects. Many people take for granted modern information technology that was not even accessible a few decades ago. This information technology innovation, which have long been considered trivial unimportant during times of calm, have now become indispensable in the fact of the COVID-19 pandemic. There are now a variety of digital technology that can be used to augment and enhance work, learning, and public health strategies. The development of advanced in information technology will be able to improve performance and increase work productivity. The development of information technology saw the emergence of various types of activities based on this technology, such as government, e-commerce, education, and medicine, and laboratory, and others. The role of technology in this COVID-19 era is very big. Method, the research used is descriptive qualitative research. Descriptive qualitative research is a research with a case study method or average data collection technique were carried out by means of observation. The author chose to use qualitative research method to determine how to find, collect, process, and analyze the research data. Discussion, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way of life, the economy, business, as well as social and government system and structure. Due to COVID-19, the government and society must quickly adapt to the following changes. 1. Digital transformation acceleration. Digital transformation is the process and strategy of using digital technology to drastically change business process and service that will have an impact on increasing productivity. The pandemic has forced people to use digital technology in their daily activities. Several business people and the business world responded quickly to transform their activities into an all-digital form. The Ministry of Communication and Informatics has developed a digitalization encouraging strategy in several strategic sectors, namely agriculture, creative economy, education, financial inclusion, health, transportation, or logistics, and tourism. 2. Optimization of online-based activities. Currently, the online system is the main choice for various activities. It seems that people are used to all online activities. The development of virtualization systems centralized application and desktop in the data center, which will make it easier for employees to access document and data and work anytime, anywhere, which can increase productivity and efficiency. Okay. This pandemic enforcing companies and government agencies to employ all employees from home or work in office with a shift system. The same is true in the world of education. All schools and universities carry out a distant teaching system. In the future, flexi time working from anywhere and online learning will be option that must be adapted. And 3, Government and society responses to the use of information technology. Disruption or drastic change due to the COVID-19 pandemic has forced the public, business actors, and the government to carry out various innovations. This is done through distance learning systems and online public service, development of online service, use of web conferencing, development of telemedicine, implementation of chatbots for public service, and online trials. For the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the global social and economic fabric. Therefore, with the support of the community, the business world, and academia, an effective, agile, and transparent government needs to work together with experts to adapt to the COVID-19 pandemic era. For some, such a beginner's individual with limited WFH experience, this may be the most intense period of professional life that can be a step of unprecedented change. All of a sudden, there has been a worldwide change, which means that everyone is asked to engage with a learning and online activity in order to carry out WFH-based tasks. The main challenge of this WFH or SFH platform lies in the willingness of users to embrace this technology. A. Use of information technology during school from home. The use of online learning application is a solution for schools that are starting to implement the school from home system. As one of the edutech companies in Indonesia, Quiver provides free online learning system and material for teachers and students, where teachers can take advantage of Quiver's learning management system feature to send and manage learning materials, exam, and student grades, enabling teachers to teach remotely. In addition to schools, universities are currently carrying out distance learning activities using various available facilities, for example, using learning applications that are already available in the academic system. In addition to the learning management system that has been created by the campus, lecturers also take the initiative to use the Google Classroom application, Google Meeting, or Zoom to support interactive learning with students. The use of information technology when working from home. The concept of work from home is a concept where employees of a company can do their work from anywhere, anytime. Some of the technology that can be used during WFH are virtual meeting communication technology, such as the Zoom application or Google Hangouts. Communication for intense coordination between employees can use the WhatsApp group application, media chat application, and video call facilities that can even be used by more than one person. Enterprise use of the Slack apps is very beneficial as Slack offers many internet-relied chat IRC-style features, including persistent chat rooms, organized by topic for private groups and direct message. The advantage of using the Slack apps is the Slack teams allow a community group or team to join a workspace via a specific URL or invitation sent by an admin or team owner. Public channels are open to everyone in the workspace. Private channels allow for private conversation between smaller subgroups. Slack integrates with many third-party services and also support community-built integration. Great integration, including services like Google Drive, Trello, Dropbox, and etc. C. Use of information technology for medical purpose. IoT providers or Internet of Things provides a platform that enables public health agency to access data to monitor the COVID-19 pandemic. And the AI and deep learning can improve the detection and diagnosis of COVID-19. Artificial intelligence. The AI algorithm can then be used as an initial screening tool for suspect cases, for example, travel history to China, Iran, or South Korea, or exposure to confirmed cases, so that patients at higher risk can undergo confirmatory laboratory-based tests or be isolated. Conclusion, based on the research and discussion conducted about, it is stated that the COVID-19 pandemic has had a huge impact on the lives of citizens in Indonesia, both in the health, economic, education, and other sectors. Through distance learning system and both public service development of both survey, use of web conferencing, development of telemedicine, implementation of chatbot for public service, and daring trial. The reduction in the activity of the public and government officials in the office has an impact on public service. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.